Alright, so what do we have for you today? Today we're going to be installing a Red46 skid plate on my S52 swapped E30. So as you can see, well, I'll show you a picture. My E30 is extremely low to the ground, and I want to protect my oil pan, so I'm going to install a skid plate. So here's what came with the kit. Obviously the skid plate, some mounting hardware, and some instructions. Should be pretty straightforward. These are mounted where the steering rack bolts are, and then here we have to drill some holes in the core support and then bolt it to this guy. You'll see how I sandwich the core support between these two things, bolt it together. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by showing you the bolts I'm going to remove, which are this one and that one, and then we have to replace them with some provided hardware. There's a comparison between the old bolt to the right, new bolt to the left. I'll go ahead and remove the second one and we'll mock in our new skid plate. Okay, so I have the new bolts on, mocked up. I don't have them tightened down all the way. You can see the clearance there. Pretty good fit of it. Now next is drilling 5 holes at the front here. Obviously I have a 4x4 holding it up. I'm going to go ahead and mark, drill, and then screw it all together. Alright, so here's what I'm doing to drill these holes and make sure everything lines up. So I drilled one hole, and after I drilled the first hole I went ahead and stuck the supply bolt through from the top side down. This is just so gravity can hold it in place while I drill the other holes. The instructions do say to drill the 5/16 hole and then drill that out a little bit bigger to 3/8. But I'm going to see if I can go ahead and just drill the 5/16 hole and do it accurately enough to not have to go back and re-drill a little bit bigger or egg out the hole to get the bolts to fit. So after getting all the bolts put in, it basically completes the install of the skid plate. Here you could see just how close it is to everything and how it will keep my oil pan safe in the case there's something unforeseen on the road, and also it just looks pretty good. So that wraps up this project. I have been away for a while. I have lots of different projects that I've videoed, but I haven't edited because of other commitments. But I did do something to the E30, and you can see it here. I painted it. So the next video will probably be me painting the E30, and this was a DIY paint job that turned out really, really good. So stick around for that, and we'll see you on the next project.